Welcome to Los Angeles. This guy has a Captain America shield on his back on his bike. That is amazing. Can you guess where we're going yet?
No, I thought maybe like Harry Potter.
Your auntie and uncle's house?
My auntie and uncle's house, or Disneyland. Or The Office, but that doesn't seem like a big surprise.
Okay. Can you guess what it is yet?
No, it doesn't.
Can you
look
guess
like
what it is yet?
It doesn't look like it's any food.
What do you see on your right? In the distance? Nothing, that's what. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do. You can totally work this out now.
On a plane?
No. Here we go. Thank you very much, sir.
Are we going in the air?
Maybe.
Are we going on a helicopter?
Oh, maybe. We're here. I don't know if it's that building or this building, but we are going on a helicopter tour. I will say this. I did try to organise it with Minnie and his girlfriend coming on it, but the helicopters only fit 3 people in. So unfortunately, it wouldn't work. It couldn't have worked out. He said he was down. He would have loved to do it, but unfortunately we couldn't fit the people in. So, Minnie, I'm sorry, mate. I'm really sorry. Ring, ring. Magic gate opens. That's Z06. That's the car. That's the car I was gonna buy. Oh, I love that. Ooh, I'm so excited to do this. I'm actually gutted, not in a bad way. Seems like a really nice guy, the pilot that we're gonna have, but it's not the same guy who flew me and my dad, me and Alec, and I did it before, I think, with like me and Luke. So I'm gutted he's not here, but you know what? It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, Lydia's gonna have a good time. We're going on a helicopter tour. Oh shit, fuck. I was like, yo, instead of dropping us off back here and we have to then travel like an hour and a half in traffic back into LA, can they just drop us off at an airport closer? And they're finding out now, so if it's like $50, then I'll do it.
Santa Monica's a problem because they've shortened the runway. They're trying to close the airport.
Oh, really?
They're now charging us $350 to land there.
Oh, hell no. We'll just get
So
Uber
I'm
then.
telling you, that's whereas the same keep at LAX we can charge $275.
Really?
At a Staples Center we can charge $500 per
What?
land.
Oh, you can do drop-offs at the Staples Center?
Yeah.
Yo, you want to go to a game? Wait, this is your first time ever in a helicopter? Yeah! Rick, thank you very much. Rick is going to be our pilot for the day. We're going on a little tour of Los Angeles. You excited?
Very.
All right. Let's do this. Seatbelt. Headset. Can you hear me? Yeah. Ready, 2.
Just a little touch of fate, it'll be okay. It sure takes its first time, but it's got rights and so have I. I turn my head to the side, focus one ball at a time. I do not like the little breeze under my tent, but sleep. It couldn't be a longer time. I feel like I'm walking blind. I know the right time, there are no left to decide.
These are the guys who flew Casey above the Hollywood sign, and they might be working with Logan. I think that was a successful surprise.
Super successful.
I was really thinking, I was like, she knows, she knows, she knows, she knows. You enjoy it?
Yeah, so much.
Aww. All this is just money, 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 money. Well, yeah, look at what they're driving. Completely blacked out, squadded up cars. No avocado. But what the hell? This guy's got 3 arms. It smells amazing and should taste amazing. This is apparently the best burger in the world, if not America. Look at the size difference. Yours compared to mine. Yes.
Burger.
And then this is the secret menu. This is called animal fries, which is fries with cheese and onions on. Good. Out of 10, what are you giving it?
See, everyone slags me off because I always go 10.
You can be honest. If you want to give it 10, you can.
Yeah, it's
10?
really good.
Hands down, 10 out of 10. And as to what's in this special sauce, I don't know. I don't care.
Mum, if you're watching this, look away now.
Yeah, if you're squeamish, don't look. Ripperoni, pepperoni, ratteroni, deaderoni. Oh, can we get a rip in the comments, boys? Look at him. It doesn't even look like he's been stood on. It looks like he had a heart attack. Poor thing. This is where I should really have my sister off and be like, hey, just found my sister on the floor. Way! Normal tree, normal tree, normal tree. Grew the right way. It learned what it was supposed to do. Then this motherfucker over here was like, hell no, I'm going sideways. Look at it. What the hell happened to that thing? We're your first ever passengers.
I swear to God.
Oh hell yeah, I'm giving you a 5-star rating as long as you don't crash, you know. We should be good. So how come you decided to get into it?
Well,
Like just a bit of cash or?
I'm a personal trainer at the Gold Gym in Venice.
Yeah.
And I'm building a clientele. I just moved out here a couple months ago.
Brilliant.
So like while I'm building a clientele, I'm seeing to make the bucks. It's a little bit more expensive.
Yeah,
out
makes
here
complete
than-
sense. Yeah,
than
totally.
Texas,
Plus,
so-
you never know. Like, if you're in the car and you're speaking to someone and they're like, "Yo, I need someone."
Yeah.
You're the goddamn man. Sweet. What a nice dude. What a nice guy, right? His first ever Uber ride. I've never used the tip function on Uber just because I've never had a driver that I'm like, that guy deserves a tip. So I think I might have to tip him. And it definitely was his first ever ride because I've never seen an Uber driver with an exact 5.0 rating. So, my friend, best of luck with your acting career. We found it. We kind of got his like life story, and I love it. Where we're meeting Luke in Little Bar. I get invited to hang out with Luke before we go for Korean barbecue with this guy. Tucker is somehow still alive after like days of drinking. Also very in the zone right now. My score was 46,760, and this guy's on 66,000, and he's not died once. Cheers. To totally not being alcoholics and drinking on a Monday.
Just totally being friends.
Hungover
and Korean barbecue, okay? But
Friends with Korean barbecue. Cheers. Arigato gomenasai, right? I was in Japan going, arigato gomenasai. So I was like, thank you, I'm sorry. What is this?
I don't know.
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
like
this is
pear?
like a wrap. Yeah. I love
It's like thin layers of skin. I absolutely love Korean barbecue. This is the hello. This is the thing we do the most. Korean barbecue. Just nothing but meat and then salty sauces. This is your 2018 shout out to your Snapchat. What's your Snapchat?
My Snapchat's before.
How do you spell it?
LAFORZ. Bruh!
How many viewers you get? Oh, this is this is Luke sneakily trying to Snapchat. Make sure you add him. I'll put it down in the description. Luke's yearly Snapchat shout out. Yes. Tucker, I'll even stay still.
That was such a good shot.
That's an incredible shot. I need to watch the replay. I'll even stay still. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, nearly smashed them all to pieces. I've nailed it. Oh no, ladies first, boys first.
No, it's
Equal rights, 2018. Why can't we? They do like, yeah, thank you. This went from cool to weird. Yo, Tucker. 12 like cretins, my night season 3 question mark. Yep. I told you, Lydia, I told you, look, this table at the end of it just looks like hell. I'm not sure how we ended up back at the little bar, but,
And you don't know why, but you're dying to try one kiss the girl.
yo, I guarantee this is the fucking guy who sang it. I bet he's like, they'll never know it was me. Sorry, what one? Which song? What was that?
It's called How Bad Girl.
a great song.
Cheers, Luke. Really appreciate it. Oh, I've managed to convince Lydia to sign up to sing a song. You know why? Because Minnie like, oh my god, dude, you'll not even believe. Bitch, it's fucking bananas. We have literally found Stefani, Gwen, and wait, which one is it? Holla fucking Batgirl.
God damn it.
Hey, we ain't no holla back girls. A few times been that.
Gonna happen like that, 'cause there ain't no holla back girl. There ain't no holla back girl. Ooh, that's my shit. 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 There ain't no holla back girl. There ain't no holla back girl. Few times I run like that, 'cause that was gonna happen like that, 'cause there ain't no holla back girl. Ain't no holla back girl. That's my shit. That's my shit. Ooh, that's my shit. That's my shit. Shit is bananas.
Thank you very much. My name was Tom. So you're all the way from Texas. We're not coming with no fault. That's fine.
Beyond the sea, somewhere away from me, my love stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing somewhere beyond the sea.
Wait, what song are you singing?
I have no idea.
Yeah. hey, sing it with me. Come on.
If you're looking for a show and you're ready to wait too much, too much to touch her. Don't want to she got a baby on Usher. My best friend said she used to with Usher. I don't care what none of y'all say, I still love her.
I apologize for the whitest thing you're going to see in a while. Like and subscribe.
Give it up for you.
Yo, this guy, he's on another level. This guy, it's amazing. I have no idea what his name is, but if this guy was on the X Factor, he would have won. This guy killed it.
Wow!
Golden train has walked till I come again.
Oh no! Jose, translate! Jose,
Translate it. Is he finished?
Oh, we missed it!
Lleva por donde quiera, te quiero, que pena verte perdido.
This guy's a magician with his voice. Happy birthday to him.
You make sure you buy some shots and drinks.
Right, we're going. Right, I love you. Come. I love you. Right, tomorrow.
Like tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Cirque du Soleil shit. Started. I definitely say I think that rose is a bit too long for that cup. Just hold it, just like this. Yeah. I think you're good if we just go like.
No! Come, that's
No.
well too
No, it's
low,
not.
and
Look,
you're meant to
watch,
do it properly.
watch. Is that not perfect? Is that not perfect? Is it not?
Yeah, it is.
Fuck yeah. Anyway, I've got to end today's vlog. So if you like roses and any of that, make sure you leave a like, click the like button. I have to sit down now at 115, literally 115. If this video hits 15,000 like ratings, I'm gonna do something pretty fucking awesome tomorrow. That's all I'm saying. But
Can you say one more time? I'm gonna do something awesome.
Today's been a good day. I've enjoyed it. It's been fun. It's been lit. You went on a helicopter ride. You enjoy it?
Yes.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Leave a like rating. Where you see the like button, there's also a button that says subscribe. When you click it and it says subscribe, you need to then click the bell next to it. So it's kind of like a two-step process. I know it sucks, but whatever. Click that button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6 p.m. for the next day vlog. So until then, much love, and Hoss.
Be nice. Stop being mean.
I have half a mustache.